I'ma kill you. Lyrics coming at you with supersonic speed, JJ Fast.
Some of them, you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made it rubber so that anything you say is ricocheting off of me. And devastated more than ever, demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's devastating, never fading. And I know the haters are forever waiting for the day they can say it, but I'm celebrating. Cause I know the way to get it motivated. I make elevating music, you make elevating music.
Jalan